We're all having a good time, right?
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
Shut up!
Give me my money, Dad.
I don't have it.
Why are you gonna try now? Why? He's gonna get your hopes up and then boom! Slam you.
She saved my life. I can't shake this thing. Can I get you a cup of coffee? Charlie Winston is based on Noah and Logan's real-life father, who spent the last 15 years of his life homeless, struggled with alcoholism, and died in jail in January of 2006.
We wanted to just tell our dad's story. He wasn't somebody that anybody was going to make a movie about, that anybody was going to write about.
The most important thing to me was trying to do justice to this man who these two young fellows obviously cared a great deal about, who spent their lives really trying to help him out and never, ever really gave up on him. This isn't home for me.
You know, really fortunate, and it's really just a reflection of who Ed is as a person. If he didn't believe in us, then the movie never would have been made.
Well, there was something to believe in. And I'm really proud of the movie. You guys did a great job. Woo!